Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound and the ongoing weakness both these European currencies are exhibiting versus the US dollar as we go into late November, and then looking for still further weakness to come through the end of the month and then on as we go into the end of the year. So this plunging sell-off we've seen in here from October, creating a topping structure, a violation of these trend lines. The previous break for 108.07 really reinforced the more bearish shift we previously saw through 110.15, and we've seen that reinforced more recently over the last week down through 106.58. And despite this little mini rebound effort, this down trend line has capped, and that leaves bearish pressures intact going into this week. And we certainly see new setback lows, new cycle lows coming into this week, and then into late November for this 105.20 level, and then potentially down to the cycle low. This is the low for the year. Remember that back from March of this year down at 104.59. That's the real threat going into the end of the year. If we go on to the pound versus the US dollar cable spot FX rate, a far more erratic tone in here, but the market setting up a topping structure through the summer and a broad erratic sell-off in here, this broad downtrend, reinforced despite the bounce we had last week. The market selling off into the end of the week, and that leaves risk back down to the recent setback low in here for November at 150.24, just above the psychological option target at 150, and then still potential through the end of the month and then on into year end down to these targets here with the 148, 147 handles, maybe even back to the cycle low of the year at 145.66 as we go through into late 2015 into December. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.